Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you what the SilverBills app is and how you can use it. Let's get started. SilverBills is an app designed to help people, especially seniors and busy families, manage and pay their household bills safely and on time. Instead of juggling paper bills, remembering due dates, or risking late fees, SilverBills assigns you a dedicated account manager who works with you to handle all your recurring bills. Now, first to get started, go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't, and then create your account, sign in with your email, then tap on start right here and start. SilverBills usually sets you up with a real person who will help you get started. At the home screen, you can see the add your bills option right there. So you provide your bills like utilities, phones, internet, insurance, and so on. You can upload them or mail them directly to SilverBills. Your account manager makes sure every bill is accurate and paid on time using SilverBills' secure system. You can open the app anytime to check your bills, payment history, and communication from your account manager. So here's the payments tab. It shows the due amount, electricity, water, rent, everything. And some key benefits of SilverBills are: bills are paid on time, every bill is reviewed for accuracy, you always have a real person helping you, everything is stored securely in the app so you don't have to deal with piles of paperwork. It is especially helpful for seniors who may not be comfortable with online banking, or for caregivers who want peace of mind that bills are handled properly. And that is how you can use the SilverBills app. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.